I just finished eating 5 billion calories. I don't have a hood, and it just started to rain, so that's pretty cool. So we're gonna have to run to the car. The car! Come on, come on. Oh Jesus, it's cramped. What? We have made it to the car. Okay. Let me just or change some settings. Ah! I'm very scared of copyright. We got the individual settings. Why is it warm? Why is it warm? Okay, now it's coming out cool. Weird. Oh, look what I did with my knee. Perfect. Yeah, I'm wondering how much oil do we have? Oh, not bad. We still got plenty of oil. Servants, turvals, in intervals. I don't know. Chassis number. Whoa. Gonna have to censor that in the edit. I don't know if tire pressure correct, so we don't not mess with that. Service and oh yeah, we already did that. Wiper change position. Ah. Oh, so if you wanna change your wipers, turn it on. Cool. That's a neat function. Otherwise it hides underneath the bonnet. Well, mostly at least. No, yeah, it does hide under the bonnet pretty well. So that's neat. We can change gears. Oh shit, we would move forward, wouldn't we? You can move the car without turning on the engine because we're yeah, I did. Because we're okay, it's raining more. Because we're slightly forward, so you can move the car forward if you just burn a neutral, and you don't even need to push it. Which still, pushing a car ain't as hard as it used to be. Just da-da-dun, da-da-dun. It just goes. Boink, 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 boink. Whoa. I pumped the brakes too much, so now it's just you gotta slam them and you gotta slam on the brakes now. Look, that's all it lets me do, man. Unless I force it, and that's not epic. Engine warning light. Why? It no detect engine because no engine is on. We got telephone. My God, do I have any missed calls? Oh my God, Grandmama. Why there's so many missed calls from Grandma? Grandma, Mom. Yeah, that's about it. Received calls. Grandma and Mom. Wow, so much. So many calls from Grandmama. Call mailbox. Click. Oh, there you go. We're gonna call Andrew Tate, if I remember his number correctly. And hit OK. That's what I want to dial. No, that's mailbox number. So it looks like Andrew Tate's phone number is no longer in service. That's a bit suspicious. Very weird why it's not in service. Oh my God, 8 liters per 100 kilometers. What the hell was it doing? Oh. Anyways, yeah, it's raining basically. It's not even that cloudy over there. Look at that. It's not cloudy over there, but it's still raining. It's still dropping rain on us. Let me just That's a turn signal. I turn right. Yeah. Wait, let me just. Yeah, baby. Yeah, they're both working. Wait, no. Why is it off? Oh, I have to hold it. Yeah, all clean now. Look at that. This one's just working overtime. Work more, baby. Oh god, that's way too fast. Why can it go this fast? Turn off AC. Can I turn off AC? Yes. And no. Is it shaking the car? I can feel there's slight... Oh, I can... there's vibrations from it. That makes sense. It generally makes sense, not a joke. Yeah, it's just gonna get wet again. Let me just set it to... like very slow. Gentle. Yeah, baby. Oh, so that's how frequent it is. I'm guessing at least. How much it does it? Probably. Maybe. So, since today is April Fool's, but the bad part is, this video isn't going up on April Fool's. You know, I hate every single one of you. I hope you burn. And, macaroni. But, April Fool's. I'm just kidding. You guys are epic. Thank you for watching my content. But, yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna go do my best to go to the gym. Jesus. As much as my parents let me, at least. It's kind of cringe. And, yeah. See you guys later. Why is everything so dark? Why is the screen so dark? Why is everything dark? What the fuck?